Hello guys, welcome back to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to delete application on Motorola G06 Power. Before it, I hope you guys click a subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And now, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first things first, here you just have to pick your application that you want to delete it first. Here, for example, I'm gonna delete my Spotify. And to delete it, you have two ways here guys. The first way, you just have to tap on the application first. You just have to tap and press. And now you will see this information icon. Tap on it. And after here, you can see the uninstall options. To delete it, you just have to tap on an uninstall. Now tap on OK. And the second way to delete the application, you just have to tap and press for a second like this. And now you just have to drag. At the top, you can see the cancel one and the uninstall. To delete it, you just have to drag it to the uninstall. Now tap on OK, so the Spotify or the application that you chose before is already deleted. And then here for the application at the home screen, you can delete it from home screen only. And the second option, you can delete it permanently. You can use the same way and a similar way to delete it. I'm gonna try on my TikTok here. To delete it from my home screen, I'm gonna tap on remove. The TikTok will remove from my home screen, but at the application page, we'll see the TikTok again here. And to delete it permanently, you just have to do the same ways, guys. You just have to drag it to the uninstall here. And I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.